This bad boy right here, folks, is known as the chimichanga, which is nothing more than a deep fried burrito. Today we're making a chicken chimichanga that is topped with homemade guacamole, sour cream, and aged cheddar cheese. All right, come check it out. I want to show you how we cook the chicken. Okay, we're gonna get our slow cooker and we're gonna drop in 2 cups of chicken broth, followed by a cup of diced onion, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro, tablespoon of ground cumin, tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You're gonna wanna give this a nice little whisk to bring everything together. And now we're going to lay in our chicken breast halves. This is gonna cook on high for at least 4 hours. Get my lid on. After 4 hours, we shred up the chicken, and then you can add a pinch of salt to your taste. Okay, we have our flour tortilla. It's been sitting at room temperature, so it's gonna be easier to roll up. We're gonna lay down some of our shredded chicken right in the middle, followed by our homemade guacamole. And I have a great video on this for you. You can click on that to get the recipe. Next, I like to add a little bit of sour cream. This kind of comes out fast, so I gotta be careful here. There we go. Next, top it with aged cheddar cheese. And we're gonna roll it up. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Get your chimichangas rolling. Kind of pull it back, fold the sides in, roll it. And then when you get to the end, I like to use a little toothpick to go in through the side and then back out, and that will hold it in place. Okay, we are ready for the deep fryer. Okay, my deep fryer is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna drop the burrito in the cage and now down into the oil. Okay, we're in there about almost 4 minutes. Getting a little golden brown. Yeah, there we go, it's looking good. I'm gonna let it drip off a little bit. It's almost time to eat. All right, don't forget to remove your toothpick. And it's been resting here for a few minutes. And I just like to cut my chimichangas in half, going right down the middle. Let's see what we have inside. Oh yeah. Okay, you can see the cheese is melted. Everything looks great. And it was thought that the chimichanga was invented in Sonora, Mexico, but some argue it was invented outside of Phoenix, Arizona. And it became hugely popular in the Southwest in the 1950s. All right, it's time to eat. And remember, if you're liking these videos, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we make a new video. Here we go. Crunchy chimichanga. Oh. Please give this recipe a try. Let us know what you think. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Man, that's good.